I just dropped it. Hey guys, it's Kelsey, and I'm back with another By Sephora box. This is for the month of May. So, let's get right into it. I have my purple scissors. I think I had it right the first time. Whew. And nothing's changed. My mom still got hers before me. Okay, when I open it up, this says hashtag beauty goals then versus now. For skincare, it's like a girl trying to do a face mask, and it says this is all I need, right? And it's just on her nose. And then like the now, it's multi-mask bash. So it's just kind of like comparing lots of things. There is fragrance and play dates and complexion and the play passes. This one's play pass. Oh, you get this play pass in every By Sephora box. It's just 50 extra beauty insider points that you can use whenever you purchase anything in a Sephora store. So let me fold this up. Back to how it was. That's not how it was. But okay. This is cute. It kind of looks like camping, kinda, you know. It has this little cord that you would think of like camping, and it's plain. It kind of looks like blue jean material. Obviously, I know it's not denim, but it looks like it would try and be. And usually it has a little fancy, cute saying, but it doesn't say anything besides the By Sephora logo. But I do like how it's different than a little like drawstring that they've done in the past. It's something different. This feels pretty heavy. Ooh. This is the Hourglass Mineral Veil Primer. Oh, this is the Hourglass Veil Mineral Primer. Ooh, this is pretty heavy. That looks very nice. Oh, it has this little wand. It has a smell to it. It smells kind of like fresh and like a clean smell, but not like a nasty clean smell. And it feels very nice and smooth on my skin. It rubbed in really nice. Okay, next product. Oh, this is a big thing. What is this? This is a Diva Curl It's That Good Super Cream. This is a coconut curl styler. And this is 44.3 milliliters or 1.5 fluid ounces. And let me read. This was 0.12 fluid ounces and 3.6 milliliters. This is ginormous. No wonder my bag was super heavy. Smells like coconut conditioner. Yeah, it smells like coconut conditioner, which I love. I'm really excited to try this out just because it's ginormous. Okay, the bag feels lighter now. Next product. This is the Chloe Nomad Eau de Perfume. That's what the front looks like, and this is what it looks like inside. I usually don't like these perfumes, so hopefully I will. Nope, don't like it. It's got that old lady smell. I don't know, do all perfumes smell like this? The only perfume I like that I'm trying to put this back in the packaging and it won't stay. The only perfume I like is the Sol de Janeiro. The only perfume that Sol de Janeiro has. It's so good. It just smells like summer and happiness. This is a Marc Jacobs mascara. This is the Velvet Noir Major Volume Mascara. I have this, so I'm not going to open this. I'll probably give this to my mom, because I have the full size of this and I have a travel size. Oh, there's 2 more products in here, I feel. This is the Kat Von D Tattoo Liner in Trooper. I've already gotten this in a By Sephora box. Let me find it. Okay, this is the one that I got in a By Sephora box a long time ago. And this is the one I got just now. Same thing. Not very happy about that. Okay, then the very last product I got. I've been wanting to try this. This is the Sephora. Oh, okay. I was trying to read the side that was in Spanish. This is the Sephora Multi-Mask Purifying and Mattifying Zinc and Copper Mask. So it's just a mud mask. I've really been wanting to try the Sephora mud mask lately because they're not a bad price. Like all the Sephora stuff I've been wanting to try recently. It has kind of like a medicine-like scent. It smells kind of like aloe, like an aloe plant, you know? But I'm really happy that I got that because I have been wanting to try the Sephora products lately. So I'll let y'all know how I like that. And that's all I got from my By Sephora box. So I got this perfume, 3 makeup products. I got the Kat Von D Tattoo Liner, the Marc Jacobs Velvet Noir Mascara, and the Hourglass Mineral Veil Primer. Then I got the Sephora Mud Mask and this Diva Curl It's That Good Super Cream for my hair. Okay, so I was going to show y'all what my mom got in her box, but to be honest, it's really late right now and she's asleep and I can't find her box and I don't want to wake her up to ask her. So let's just talk about what I got. I know she got... Okay, let's just recap. I know that she got the Kat Von D Tattoo Liner, the Sephora Mud Mask, and the Velvet Noir Mascara. She got a she got a dry bar dry shampoo. And I can't think of the other thing. So she did not get the Diva Curl Super Cream or the Hourglass Veil Primer, Mineral Veil Primer. This one's a tricky one to say. Okay, and now to recap my box. The only thing that I wish was not in here was the Marc Jacobs Velvet Noir Mascara and the Kat Von D Tattoo Liner. Now I know that they don't know that I have the Marc Jacobs mascara already, so I can't really be mad at that. It's just kind of a bummer that I already do have that. But they have already sent this in a By Sephora box, and I really don't know how to feel because, like, I know it's probably been a while. It's probably been one of the first ones I got. but it's still a repeat, you know? And I feel like they should be trying to do whole new products every single time with no repeats. I just dropped it. And that might be a lot to ask for, but that is my only complaint about this box. I'm probably the most excited for this because it's ginormous. Well, that's everything I got from my By Sephora box. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. I enjoy these so much. I love getting my box every month, even though my mom's box comes first and she gets to open hers before me. I'm still very impressed by everything that I got. If you like these videos, I have a whole playlist of By Sephora unboxings that I've done since July 2017, I think. So you should go watch those. Hope to see you next time. Bye! Again, I'm Kelsey, and I hope to see you next time. Bye!